Okay, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. In this part, she's showing y'all how the hair is flowy in its natural state. Okay, in this part, this is a 4x4 lace closure, 22 inches, and the color is 1B body wave. Okay, y'all, so this is the box that comes in. Shout out to LUVME Hair for sending this beautiful bomb-ass wig, and the box that comes with a comb, scrunchie, pressed nails, and earrings, and a pop socket. So boom, this the wig fresh out the pack. It comes with 4 combs. The lace is transparent, and it also comes with the stretchy thingy. This part, Megan just showing y'all how the lace compared to her skin color. In this part, she's spraying lace tint on the lace, and then she's gonna slap that bitch right on her head. Okay, guys, so I don't really know anything much about wigs, so I'm just gonna talk about what she's doing. So right now, she's laying the wig on her head. She got she's cutting the wig to, I guess, to get the form to lay it properly over her forehead. She got to make sure the form is cut correct so it won't be too far up or too far back. She's getting a proper form. She has the wig pulled to the side so she can see correctly. As you guys can see, she laid the tan over the front of the wig. The proper cap is on. And she's basically cutting the front so you guys can see the shape of the front of her wig and how she lays it over her head. She pulled it up and she's gonna lay it now. This is a really nice wig, guys. It is, I believe it's silk. Yes, like a silk wig. It's very nice. Right now she's putting water over the front of it. It's like a holder, something to hold it down more so it'd be sturdy. Or it's like a glue. That's a glue to hold the frontal down. Yeah, it's very nice. She's shaping it up now, putting it thicker, making it spread out. So the whole entire front, because you don't want to put a wig on and the lace starts to come up after a couple of hours because that is an improper lay on the lace. Yeah, so she got that. She's letting it dry. Now she's going to put it over to stick in the exact place where she wants the lace to stay. It's been applied long enough. With these products, I believe you want to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to get the proper dryness on it. So the lace is stick correct, kind of like a hair super glue. She's combing it out. You want to get these things, you want to get it combed out as much as possible so you won't cut none of the wig. See, it's applied now. She's combing the wig out, combing it out flat. It's a very neat wig. It's nice. I love it. Combing it back more. Now she's putting, what is that? Okay, she's combing it out to get the look and the texture for it to be flat. You want to be very careful doing this because you don't want to remove the lace as you're doing this. So you'll want the glue to be dry. Now she's cutting, guys. She's going to cut on both sides, straight down the middle. Cut the flaps off. You want to stick it down more. And a little bit, you want to take a little tiny little razor type cutter and just chip it off. And that's the perfect frontal laid. It takes practice to do something like this. You can't just do it. She's cutting properly. Okay, guys, so now she's using the alcohol to remove the excessive glue that was applied to the wig in the beginning. And as you guys can see now, she's still adjusting the wig more. Getting it even out, making it more smooth. And flat iron it again. And you want to take your time doing something like this because you want your wig to be laid and adjusted perfectly, because if you lay it and adjust it any kind of way, you're not going to like the finished product of the wig. And you're going to feel like you just wasted your time and wasted a wig doing this. So it's best you take the proper steps, have the proper equipment when doing something like this. You want to put you want to put the right products on so the wig will have that finished texture look, how it's supposed to be applied and looked. And you want to make sure you have to prep your wig. The most important part about laying a wig, to me, is the prep. You want to prep it good. Before she prepped this wig on it, she let it sit overnight and applied it's already a silk wig, so she applied a little bit of water to it, so it'll be a little bit shiny and it won't be like tangled up to comb. But I love the wig overall. It's a nice wig. Getting it more even, flat iron again. And with this wig, there's a lot of flat ironing to get it straight, because it is a silk wig, so it's a lot of flat ironing. I like how the frontal is it's a color match with the makeup. That light spot over her forehead is gonna get fixed. But you want your frontal to match your makeup exact or close. Gonna curve out the edges, overlay it over the top, separate it. And you don't have to do this step, but this is if you want a design in the front, you have to do it. See, she's filling in the texture on her forehead, on where the lace, the overlay of the lace was being applied to get the proper layout. Now she's gonna just color in her forehead. Small little dabs and you'll be good to go. This is a very nice wig. Okay guys, this is the final product of the wig. She done blended it out, and I hope you guys like the final product of the wig, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys turn on post notifications so you will be notified whenever we post, and make sure you guys share this video. Peace.